What up, guys? Welcome to the wheelhouse. What up with the wheelhouse, baby? You guys ready to hit it? You ready to get it? You ready to level up and get with it? So in our Discord, we got the Jedis, right? They upgraded. And these soldiers, these Jedi soldiers are literally picking winners. Like they're learning super fast. Like pretty soon, like right now, we have a garrison. Okay, we got foot soldiers of Jedis. But pretty soon, we're going to have a fleet of spaceships and an armada of ships. And these guys are just savages. They're turning into quick savages. So you guys probably want to get in there, not just for my alerts and my picks, which pretty much are always green lights to the beach, baby. I don't even remember what a red day feels like. I just get it green every day. But yeah, you get in that Jedi, and now these guys, Darian, Mark, Alfonso, Boku, Alicia, Hitchum, Lola, Dan, there's a whole bunch of them in there. There's just a whole bunch. Claire, Nikki, there's just a whole bunch, and they're just beast mode on crypto and stocks. So yeah, it's pretty exciting. So look, I put out a video. I made it last night. I said, look, we got institutional support, we got good earnings, and we have bullish momentum crossing the 200 on Qualcomm. It was at $138 when I made the video and bought it, and now it's at $156.49. So you have an $18 gain in less than 12 hours. Boom! Who loves you, baby? I've been screaming from the treetops. I've been screaming from the rooftops. Neo's about to break. I knew because, well, I just know these kind of things. I could see a lot of things in the charts were coming, and I said, look, if we break the 41.72. It's green lights to the beach, baby. And what happened? Dabble do you like I knew you, right? So here we go. We're above. Now I want you to put your stop at 41.50. And let's just go take a look real quick at the Neo chart. So I can kind of give you a little update here. This is where I wanted you to break, was this, because it was to signify to Wall Street a true trend reversal, which gets us out of this whole mess. And when it did that, and it started creating, got out of the box, it had the minor step, went back through another box, and it finally broke out today with volume, like exactly like I said in all my videos what was going to happen. Exactly like I said would happen. And there's your volume. You're outperforming. You got the right looking thing on your vortex. Your stochastic is crossing. Your MACD is good to go. Your first target is actually, you're going to like this. Your first target is $46.66. That's where you're headed first, guys. Eventually, you're headed to like 55, and possibly I wouldn't put it past getting all the way to $64, but let's call it 55 for now. With your first resistance at 46.66. So I hope you guys took that trade. You made a lot of money. All my trades are making money, so you're good to go on a lot of stuff that I gave you. You should be way up on that Cleanspark I gave you the other day. The Qualcomm is up $18 today. Neo is up, and I picked up a new one. One of the Jedis gave it to me, and I went and checked it out. I got to pull up a chart for you. It's Chewy, and I like Chewy just like I like the Qualcomm chart and the Cleanspark chart, because you're just now breaking over the 200, plus it had a base break. Let's see if it's still over it, though, because the day hasn't closed. So 76.48 was your base break. There's your volume, and you're already $2 over it. So, yeah, 3 really good picks for you. The Neo, the Qualcomm, and the Chewy. Oops, let's go look at it over here on this one. So, yeah, look, you're right above the 200. You know, you really could, honestly, this thing could double. Wait, not double. No, I'm sorry. This one could go all the way to, back to the 118. I could definitely see it getting to the 95.62. It's probably going to stop around the 92.35 area. Then it's going to get to this, 95 number. And then it'll probably come up here, something like this, 104.85. And, it'll kind of play this game right here to 114 and probably hit the all-time high, and it'll bounce back. So coming right above the 200 is exceptional for us, because look what happens when you buy right when it goes above the 200. it tends to go on these very long rallies, guys, just like Cleanspark. Let's go look at Cleanspark just real quick. Tell me if it looks familiar. Doesn't it look kind of familiar? Right here, you get in above the 200 and it kind of like does that whole thing. And then look, it just got right above. It's above all its EMAs and it's above the 9. So look, that was Cleanspark. This is Chewy. Doesn't it look familiar? It's the same thing. Notice how they do that? So this purple line is like important, and we're just crossing. I mean, look at that. We're just barely getting over it. You're at the beginning of a massive windfall. So I picked up Chewy and Qualcomm. Same thing. Qualcomm, well, when I made the video, it was just barely above, but look what happened, because who loves you, baby? We get it right over here at the Wheelhouse. So look, I got that Discord link down below, and you know, it's free to get in till 200 people. It's probably getting close to 200 people. So all you got to do is just kind of go to the description and click it and get in there. There's people talking to the crypto chat, the stock chat. There's a lot of experienced people in there doing a lot of trades on both stocks and crypto. You can upgrade for my alerts. I highly recommend you do that. If you want to learn everything about stocks and advanced trading for crypto and stocks and you know, just everything about that, you know, you know, I have the courses and I'll coach you, and we have the one-on-ones, and we did the Wheelhouse Wednesdays where we do like questions and charts and all that cool stuff. So yeah, I mean, you guys should jump in. It's pretty sick. So yeah, another win for the Wheelhouse today. I mean, we're just green lights to the beach, baby. Just green lights to the beach. No problem. Just making money, printing cash, and just stacking chips left and right. And yeah, like, you know, you got to be around people that are making money and stop playing games. And you know, you got to listen to good advice from people that really know what they're doing. And I'm one of them. That's why I make money like every day. That's why so many people are jumping in, because, you know, I do all these charts, and then they, you know, it took a little while. They had to trust me, right? And then they'd see they go green, and then they'd miss out. They get the fear of missing out, and eventually they start buying what I had. And now that they're in the Discord, they can get the alerts. So the alerts are, sorry, I was getting a phone call. The alerts are great because I'm in there and I'm changing my stops. I'm telling you what I'm buying. I'm telling you, you know, look out for this resistance. I'm telling you when I sell. I'm making comments along the way. So even if you don't do the Jedi package and you just do the alerts and you want to make money and you're busy, you get the alerts right to your phone, and you can just get into your brokerage and grab what I grab and move your stop where I move it. You can sell when I sell it. And I have a process and a protocol that just keeps making money. So yeah, welcome to the Wheelhouse, guys. And hit that like, hit the subscribe, and select all. We'll see you later.